In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe promotional emails in Yahoo. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. This takes you to Yahoo's homepage. Look toward the upper right corner for the sign in button. Go ahead and click it. Now follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your Yahoo account. That may include entering your username, your password, and confirming any security checks. Take your time here and make sure you're signing into the account that receives the promotional emails you want to stop. After you submit your details, wait a moment while Yahoo logs you in. Once you're signed in, you'll see your account menu and Yahoo services. Click Mail to open your inbox. When your inbox loads, find a promotional message you no longer want to receive. This could be a newsletter, a store offer, or a brand announcement. Click the message to open it. With the email open, scroll through the message until you see the three-dot menu. Depending on your layout and screen size, this menu is usually near the top area of the email content or alongside the message controls. Click the three dots to expand more options. In the menu that appears, look for unsubscribe and click it. Yahoo may display a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to stop receiving emails from this sender. Click unsubscribe again to confirm. You should see a brief confirmation that your request has been submitted. Some senders process unsubscribe requests right away, while others can take a few days to fully update, so give it a little time. If you don't immediately see the unsubscribe option, it can be because not all senders support one-click unsubscribe in Yahoo's menu. In those cases, you may notice an unsubscribe link inside the email itself, usually near the bottom of the message. Keep in mind that using unsubscribe is best for legitimate newsletters and marketing lists. For unwanted or suspicious messages, it's safer to report them as spam instead of unsubscribing. Repeat these same steps for any other promotional messages you'd like to stop receiving. Over time, your inbox should get noticeably